everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Fast and Furious 5 pack, and surprisingly, it doesn't have all the cars from just one movie, which is really good. It has cars from different Fast and Furious movies. If you see Fast and Furious, the Fast and Furious, I think that's the second one, Fast 10, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, and Fast 10. So 5 cars from three different movies, I guess. They all look good, and I don't think they did in a single piece yet, and I don't have this one, so again good to have this, and I don't think I have this one either. So let's open it up and see how do they look. So here are all the 5 cars from this 5 pack, and I'm gonna start with the most famous one rather than the first one, the second one. This is a 70 Dodge Charger RT, and this was made famous by none other than Dom. He races this one, which lifts up when he races at the track. So this one does have some good details on it. As you can see, it's finished in black with RT badge on the side wheels, which I've seen on so many different Hot Wheels, but still look good. And it's famous because of this. So it's a Dodge Charger with those tail lamps, which kind of flipped and turn it on, and it had this big motor in it coming out of the hood, which does look impressive. And I think Hot Wheels did this casting a long time back. They also did a premium one. Sadly, I couldn't find it either. I'm glad I did this one. It looks good. Coming down the driver's side, as you can see, interior is done in chrome, which was not in the side of the actual car, but this one has a chrome interior. You do get door handles which are detailed, which is nice for a mainline 5 pack. And you can see there's like this slight, I don't know, it's a vent or scoop, but there's this slight design on the door. You also get a turn indicator on the side, which is again good. And coming to the back, again turn indicator on the side here. The tail lamp are not detailed, but you got this chrome piece, so if you want you can. But again, this is a famous car, especially for the Fast and Furious fans, and I think anybody who can find this one will like to have it in their collection. Now let's move to the second one, the car next to it, which was made famous in the Fast 10 movie, this purple Chevy Impala. And if I'm not wrong, this was specially designed for the guy playing the villain on this movie. I think it's the same guy who had a role in the Game of Thrones. Can't remember the name. But yeah, it's very different. A purple Impala, you don't really see it. Again, the wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. Door handles are detailed here too. That's a good thing. Up front, if you see, I'm gonna move other cars because the camera can't focus on it, or maybe just leave it. So up front again, it's not painted anyway, so headlamps are not detailed. You don't really see any detail there. Grille and bumper are finished in grey, and you do have this bulge in the hood, so it means it's a bigger engine. And it does have these, I think those are hood straps, maybe. Miss out on any mirrors because I'm assuming it's based on an older casting, which Hot Wheels did a lifetime ago. Interior is black, which is better than doing chrome. You do get this body line which goes from front to back, and I'm glad there's no chrome on the body anywhere. It looks good. Coming to the back, you do get some details in the back, like you got the Chevy badge, you got the Impala badge. But again, tail lamp are not painted or anything. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. Now let's move to the next one, which is the Nissan Silvia S13. Again, nice paint. Normally you don't see these on Nissan. Wheels, again, very common. I've seen on so many different Hot Wheels. You do get some deep decals on the side, the Yokohama Hot Wheels, and you do have painted tail lamps in the back, which is again good. You do get Silvia written there too. Small spoiler, a trunk lid spoiler, and another spoiler on the roof too. So yeah, 2 spoilers. You do get both the mirrors, which is again good. The windshield and glass are slightly tinted, so can't really see the interior that good, but you can see it's a right-hand drive car. Also get both the windshield wipers, again good details. Up front, headlamp or anything isn't detailed, so no details in the front. All you can see is a small splitter in the front. Yeah, I wish they did the headlamp at least. It would have looked much better. This is how it looks from the bottom. Yeah, I think this can use some more details, but even with this, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know what this small sign is. What does it say? I have no clue. No. Let's move to the next one, which is the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. I like the paint on this one. Looks good. And if I'm not wrong, they did a Buick Riviera this year in the same paint, which again looked good. Do like the wheels, they look much better. They look slightly modified, you know how when you modify an older car. On the driver's side, you do get this detailed door handle. You also have fuel filler door, then painted in chrome. You get the Plymouth badge and turn indicator front and back. It's a 2-door. Looks good from the side though. Coming to the front, again, you can see there are no details like the painted ones. You can see the headlamp and other lamp bumper, but none of them are painted or detailed anyways. Do get this painted hood vents. It's both the windshield wipers, no mirrors again. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap. Again, rear, no painted details. You can see where the tail lamp is, but again, it's not painted or finished in any sense. Interior is in black, and it's a 2-door, 2+2 seating option, I guess. So overall, yeah, I like the color. I wish again if there were more details, but still like it. Last but not the least, we have got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Now this is from Fast 10. I think Hot Wheels did a bunch of GT3 in different colors, so this one is just a different iteration. So front, you do get detailed headlamp. Good thing. Get the Porsche badge, lower black grille, splitter. Looks really good. So good details in the front. You also got both the windshield wipers, which is again good, and mirrors. So good details on this one. Coming to the driver side, we got the golden wheels, GT3, which again doesn't look bad. A big wing in the back. Does miss out on the detail in the back, but I'm glad they did the headlamps, which look good. Back you can kind of live without it, but headlamps, they make it look good. Twin exhaust in the back, and as we talked about this big wing. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. Only difference is the fuel filler, and Porsches have it there because engine is there. Interior is done in black. It looks alright. Got some details, like you can see the shifter there. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's one of the nicest detailed casting in this set. I think that's because Hot Wheels did the same casting in different colors with same details. So overall, I think it's a nice set. You do get mix of different cars from different movies, which I think is a good overall set. I don't know if Hot Wheels ever did a Tokyo Drift set, but I think that would be also really cool. Well, I do like this set, and if you're a fan of Fast and Furious movie, you should go get this one. I don't think you will be disappointed that much. Maybe a little bit with some details on a few cars, but yeah, still overall it's a nice set. Looks really good, has some cool cars, and I think you're gonna like it. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.